Hi and welcome back to a 3D printing video. Thanks to all the subscribers that subscribe once again. Today we have a Whistlebird baby dragon which I 3D printed. It took over 4 hours to print and I printed it in my new filament. It's a shiny green filament. It's supposed to be bronze, but never mind. So it'd look more like a copper effect. Just turn it around. There was no layer issues, no Z-banding or nothing. This was made by someone on Thingiverse. It's called Whistlebirds/Baby Dragon. If you want to go find it, it's on Thingiverse. It's by Shara, if I'm saying that right. What this thing you can do is get some water, pour it in where the air hole is, and then you blow in there and it should sound like a bird once you practice. Or you can just blow it as normal without no water in. Didn't it print out really nice on my Tronxy? If you like to help my channel out and interested in buying a Tronxy just like mine, go to the me unboxing videos on the 3D printer and the link in the description below, just down below in the unboxing video. Not in this one, but the unboxing. So go back to the unboxing and check out the 3D printer from there if you'd like to help and support my channel. Thanks for watching. Please stay subscribed. And the title for this thing is just there on this Whistlebird baby dragon. So just go to Thingiverse online and then there you go. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button down below to see any future notifications or updates and future videos. Don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.